Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to pay on Temu using GCash. Paying on Temu using GCash is simple, secure, and convenient. For example, if you want to purchase a guitar, proceed to checkout and select GCash as your payment method. Make sure your GCash account has enough funds to cover the payment. After selecting GCash, submit your order and log into your GCash account, entering your PIN and completing any required verification or authentication steps. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to Temu, where your payment will be confirmed and your purchase finalized. It's important to double check the payment details and ensure all information is correct before confirming. Following the steps guarantees a smooth transaction, allowing you to complete purchases quickly and confidently on Temu using GCash. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.